Hello there, Mike is here from Mike's Online Business Sites. I want to give you a short update regarding the platform called 2139.com exchange. I did a review of this platform in the end of June 2024 and I found many red flags and I recommended not to invest with the platform. And in my opinion, this was a possible Ponzi scheme. A few hours ago, someone commented on the video saying that he invested $300. So far, he got to 333, and he'll be waiting until he gets to the $600 mark. I advised him to withdraw the money as soon as possible, since no one knows how long this platform will last. The thing is, as of today, September 6, 2024, their original platform 2139.com doesn't work anymore. If you check the Trustpilot and you can search for the 2139, you see that they use different websites. For example, the 2139.com, according to Trustpilot, has already closed. It's not just issue on my site, their website 2139.com really shut down. Regarding their other domains, 2139.ltd, this was marked as a malicious by my internet provider. The same thing goes with the 2139.online. This is 2139.online. I've been redirected to my internet provider website saying that the website has been marked as malicious or blacklisted. The same goes with the 2139.ltd. As you see, again, malicious or blacklisted. The only website the 2139 has still in service seems to be 2139.1. This one still works, but the domain ending with the .1 was registered in August 2024, and that's by itself, it's just a red flag. Such a sudden domain change is not a good sign. So I just wanted to give you a quick warning. Regardless of the specific domain you might stumble upon, be aware that these guys are just scammers. Let's say possible Ponzi schemes, all of them. 2139.com doesn't work anymore, and the same will be applied to the other domains as well in the near future. It is possible that they will come up with a new domains, for example 2139.net or something else, but basically it is still the same, how do I say it politely, it's the same scam. So if you want to know more about the platform, just go to my original video and you can go through the issues that just prove that the 2139 exchange is not trustworthy. Stay safe and see you in the next video. Bye bye.